Hello again, my precious. This is the new video on my channel. I'm so sorry I was absent last week. I had a really sore throat. I lost my voice, but now I can speak. Yeah, you can hear that the sound of my throat is not really perfect, but at least I can speak. So here is a new video on my channel. We continue learning Ukrainian together. So let's start. Вміти могти. In English, it's only one word, can. Being able, of course, to. But actually, what we can express in English with the word can, in Ukrainian we have two words. So let's see the difference. Вміти, уміти. So it's the principle of euphony, so you can have v and you can have u. To learn more about euphony, just check my videos. So, вміти щось робити або створювати. So, being able to make something or to create something. For example, when you have some skills. For example, я вмію грати на музичному інструменті. I can play a musical instrument. Я вмію малювати. I can draw or I can paint. Він уміє плавати. He can swim. So, that's it.
Щоб не вміла читати, не вміла писати.
Могти. Бути здатним щось зробити через можливість або дозвіл. So, it's being able to do something because you have a possibility or you have just someone allowed you to do that. Or you physically can do it. For example, я можу плавати, бо тут тепла вода. I can swim there because the water is warm here. Я можу подзвонити і вирішити це питання. I can call and solve this problem. Можете поцілувати наречену. You may kiss the bride, or you can kiss the bride. So, that's it. I hope you understand. So, вміти, уміти, it's when you have some skills. And могти, it's when you are able to do something. So, let's go to some forms of these two words in different Ukrainian tenses.
Немов маленька дитина, що без тебе жити не може.
Вміти. So, теперішній, минулий, майбутній. Present tense, минулий past, майбутній future. So, present tense. Я вмію, I can. Ми вміємо, we can. Ти вмієш, you can. Ви вмієте, you can, but for plural or polite form. Він, вона, воно вміє. He, she, it can. Вони вміють, they can. So, everything is predictable, all the endings. Минулий, past tense. Я, ти, він, міг. It's for grammatical masculine. I, you, he, can. Could. For grammatical feminine. Я, ти, вона, могла. I, you, she, could. Grammatical neuter. Воно могло. It could. Ми, ви, вони могли. That's plural. You, we, they could. And future. Two forms. They're simple and they're compound. The simple. Я вмітиму. I will be able. Ти вмітимеш. You will be able. Він, вона, воно вмітиме. He, she, it will be able. Ми вмітимемо. We will be able. Ви вмітимете. You will be able. Вони вмітимуть. They will be able. And compound. Буду вміти. I will be able. Будеш вміти. You will be able. Він, вона, воно буде вміти. He, she, it will be able. Ми вмітимемо. Ми будемо вміти. We will be able. Ви будете вміти. You will be able. Вони будуть вміти. They will be able. So that's it. Могти. in present, past and future. Present. Я можу, I can. Ти можеш, you can. Він, вона може, he, she, it can. Ми можемо, we can. Ви можете, you can. Вони можуть, they can. Past tense. Grammatical masculine. Я, він, ти, міг. I, he, you can. Grammatical feminine. Я, вона, ти, могла. I, she, you can. Could. Воно могло. It could. Вони, ми, ви могли. They, we, you could. Майбутнє. Future. Я зможу. I will be able to do it. Or I will manage to do it. Ти зможеш. You will do it. Він, вона, воно зможе. He, she, it will be able to do it. Ми зможемо. We will do it. Ви зможете. You will do it. Вони зможуть. They will do it. So, here is the forms. And let's go to practice.
Вони можуть розбомбити щастя.
Потренуємося. Let's practice. So here we have some sentences where we should put вміти, могти, but in different forms. So you can check previous slides again. Or screenshot them to see them in front of your eyes and to do this exercise. And after that, we will check. Відповіді. So first sentence. Він уміє літати, але не може через хворобу. He can fly. He can do it. He has a skill to fly. But he can't do it because of his illness. But he isn't able to do it because of his illness physically. Yes, he can't do it. Я не вмію малювати, але можу спробувати. I can't draw. I have no such skill to draw. But I can try. But physically I can try to do it. Ти вмієш розмовляти, але не можеш через те, що болить горло. You can speak, physically can, yes? But you can't because you have a sore throat. But it's not possible because you have a sore throat, so that's it. Вони могли побудувати цей дім, бо вони вміють це робити. They could build that house because they can do it. So they have skills to do it. So again, when you physically can, or when you have an allowance to do it, or you have power to do it, so you use могти. But when you have a skill to do it, it's вміти. So I hope you understand the difference. If not, write me in the comment. I will explain once more. So, this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely, like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope you have learned lots of interesting things. And please give this video a huge thumb up, not to miss any other videos on my channel. And leave a comment if you don't understand anything, or just leave the comment with your ideas about next videos. What do you wish to learn? Yes, I have my own programs, but I am open to your ideas, so I'm waiting for your comments. And I hope that everything will be okay, and we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.